Hi guys, we're back on Arch. The best way to test things if you're building things or you're making an ISO builder, or you make an ISO because you're an ISO builder, or you want to test an application, it's best to really install something very bare, because then you also see the dependencies. If you're a system where 2000 packages are installed, then the problems will not show up. Dependencies, if you did not add it to the package build, well, it will work, and then users say, hey, it doesn't work on mine because of the dependencies that are missing that you did not mention in the package build. And the package build, well, Pacman says there are no dependencies, so nothing will come in. So just installing this one to tell you, hey, we're an Arch. And then we have the Yamana QWERTY keyboard. AAG. This is a new version after the last video, and there we get already something strange. I guess we need to do a change because we changed UI, not Glade, but UI. So I'm gonna check my other system, pause, and see. This is version 6, I believe. That's correct, but I'm gonna check. So if you are a programmer and you wanna release a package, you need to stick or adhere to a certain procedure, a certain workflow. And guess what? I did not follow my workflow. There are no screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, 4, and 5. So I pushed it to the GitHub, but in this case, I need to go to the browser, go to the GitHub, say this is release 23057, okay, then a tar.gz is created, then go to the package build, change the number from 6 to 7, build it on the repo, push it, download it, right? So basically I got the old package. This is not what I want, right? This is not what we made last time. So don't waste time with things like this. Think and say, okay, right, that's the mistake. So this should now work. No such file in setup GUI. You're still not happy for whatever reason, so let's have a look what we get in, because now it should work. Open folder, file system, user, share, ArcoLinux app. What did you do? The Glade one. Why is still this one still here? That one can't be there unless I did not say in the package build to the Pacman minus remove ArcoLinux. Look at that. The app dev. Oh yeah, I wanted to keep them separate with each other. Remember that I said I want to keep them next to each other so I can compare one with the other. That's true, that's my choice. Okay, so that's not a mistake. And then here, what you can do is, for example, this, open a terminal here, install ripgrep, because that will not be installed, minus S ripgrep. There you go. RG, and what's the error? G GUI. There you go. The GUI is there. And why are you complaining? Failed to open GUI. No such file or directory. Is in line 137. Line 137, mousepad. Okay, yes, we're not, right? So I don't have much installed. Lines, show line numbers. Oh, that's nice. Show color scheme, maybe. Classic. Nope, can't read it. Now I can read it. Okay. So line 137. So we go at the top. We start with the init. We start with the init, line 4, 5. He wants to go to this. So we go to setup GUI at the very end somewhere here. Then 137, get me that self builder GUI UI. So pathway, does he not know where the thing is? The GUI UI. Okay, I'm trying to understand. It says failed to open file, no such file or directory. Here we give a complete pathway. Here we did not. And what we do all the time is go in here and say sudo hyphen. And this is how we've been testing it all day long. So it's the pathway that it doesn't get, and we should help him, basically. So I'll just pop over to the other machine and stop the video here. So we've tested on Arch, and the code that we have, the pathway, we need to tell him, hey, that's where it is. Okay. All right.